Hi, Central Industrial Security Force CISF. Introduction. The Central Industrial Security Force CISF is one of India's central armed police force responsible for providing security to critical infrastructure, industrial establishment and public sector enterprises. Establishment in 1969, the CISF plays a vital role in ensuring the safety of key installations such as airports, metro network, space organization, power plants and government buildings. History and establishment. The CISF was formed on March 10, 1969 under the CISF Act 1968 with a initial strength of 3,000 personnel. Over the year, its responsibilities expanded, and 1983 it was a grant the state on an armed force of India. Today, the CISF was grown into a force of more than 1,70,000 persons, making it one of the largest security force in the world. Role and responsibility. The primary duty of the CISF is to protect critical industries and strategic establishment. It is key responsibilities include industry security, providing security to major industries including steel plant, oil refinery and power stations. Avoiding security, ensuring the safety of passengers and infrastructure of Indian airports. Metro security, protecting metro rail networks inside cities like Delhi and Mumbai. VIP security, providing security to important government officials and dignitaries. Disaster management, assisting in refuge operation during natural disaster and emergencies. Cyber security, monitoring and preventing cyber threat to national security installation. Training and modernization, the CIF personally undergo rigorous training in combat tactics, disaster management, avoiding aviation security and cyber threat. The force is equipped with modern weapon, surveillance system and communication technology to handle security challenges effectively. Important in national security. With increasing security threat, the CISF has been a curricular part of Indian internal security enhancing in protect over 350 establishments including nuclear plant, space agencies, seaports and heritage sites like the Taj Mahal. The force also providing assisting in counter-terrorism operation and emergency responsibility situation. Conclusion. The CISF is a pillar of Indian security framework, ensuring the safety of curriculum infrastructure and public assets. Its contribution to industrial and aviation security has made India safer and more results. With continuous modernization and strategic training, the CIF remains a key force in protecting the national economy and strategic interest. Thank you.